Hello guys, my name is Michael. Welcome to today's video. We will be diving into the act of the kitchen space. The kitchen space is not just a room, it's a hub for family, a place for creativity and functionality. So if you're ready to unlock your full potentials of your kitchen space design, let's begin. Welcome to SketchUp Core. In this first video of our kitchen design series, we're diving into the foundation of the kitchen space. So what exactly is the kitchen space? A kitchen at its core, it's more than just a place for cooking. It is the heart of the home. A kitchen can be defined as a designated area or a room used for cooking, preparing, and storing food. As the heart of the home, a kitchen also serves as a hub for dining, entertaining, and socializing. So we'll be talking about the features of a well-designed kitchen. A well-designed kitchen entails three features: functionality, aesthetics, and ergonomics. So when we talk about functionality, we're talking about the space flow, how the kitchen supports cooking and the movement around the kitchen. When we talk about aesthetics, we'll talk about the identity of the kitchen, the visual identity of the kitchen, the character of the kitchen. And when we talk of ergonomics, we're talking about how we design our kitchen for comfort, accessibility, and the ease of the use of the kitchen space. Our kitchens are usually divided into two categories. We have the residential kitchen and the commercial kitchen. The residential kitchen, which is majorly designed for families, individuals, and private homes, where comfort, warmth, and personality is prioritized. But when we talk about the commercial kitchen, we're talking about kitchens built for restaurants, homes, businesses. The comfort and personality is not the primary focus for commercial kitchens. Commercial kitchens are focused on efficiency, scale, compliance, and safety standards. It is something to note that throughout the series, we won't be defining terms only. We'll be using SketchUp to visualize, model, and understand how kitchen spaces are defined and planned. So, for the next episode, we'll be setting the stage for kitchen layouts, cabinetry, finishes, and much more in episodes ahead. So by the end of this lesson, you should have a clear understanding of what makes up a kitchen space and why these definitions matter before we jump into the design of a kitchen space. This is SketchUp Core, and we're just getting started.